everyone, welcome you for Nagarjuna Degree College. We cordially invite you for UGC sponsored national seminar on paradigm shift in teaching methodology and evaluation system. We are here for a seminar which is organized by UGC and associated with Indian Academy College Autonomous. Chief guest of the day is Dr. K. Anand Joshi, a special person, and our guest of honor is Dr. Jerome Xavier, and our special invites to Professor Manohar Nararji as well as our Dr. Gopala Krishna. We cordially again invite you all for our UGC sponsored national seminar. Thank you.
Sahasave bara Satvonatiya Shringara Sahasave bara Bhagyodayada Harikara.
Thousands of candles can be lighted with a single candle, yet the light of the candle is not shortened. Light dispels darkness, and when the darkness of ignorance within us is dispelled, through the light of wisdom, goodness prevails. Let's all rise for the lighting of the lamp by the luminaries.
Indeed, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you for this wonderful national seminar on paradigm shift in teaching methodology and evaluation system. I take a lot of prideness, and it is also the moment of honor for all of us here at Nagarjuna Degree College and NGI, because this is the first UGC sponsored national seminar happening in our campus in association with Indian Academy Degree College Autonomous. So as all of you know that this particular sector, education sector, particularly higher education, today we see a lot of changes taking place. There are tremendous opportunities available. At the same time, we also see challenges. Many foreign universities are coming. New education policy, national NEP, has been announced. So in this context, it is highly relevant for the teachers to understand how we should get adopted to the changing scenario, particularly in education system, and catering to the needs of today's students. So in that context, we have announced this national seminar, and I'm very thankful to UGC and Indian Academy Degree College for being very kind and being supportive. First, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Anand K. Joshi sir. I would request Professor Kavita to kindly welcome Anand Joshi sir with a flower bouquet. Sir is very, very resourceful. Sir is also our advisor to the group of our Nagarjuna group of institutions. Sir, we are fortunate to have you here today. I also take this opportunity to welcome Dr. E. Jerome Xavier, sir, who is the principal of Indian Degree College Autonomous. So under the Paramarsh scheme, Indian Academy Degree College is our mentor for our NAC preparations. So Jerome sir has been very, very kind and supportive. So I thank him for being very supportive. He is in fact instrumental for happening of this program in our campus. So I would request Professor Nagesh to kindly welcome Jerome sir with a flower bouquet. We also have Dr. S.G. Gopala Krishna sir with us, Honorable Director of Nagarjuna Group of Institutions. Sir is also guiding us in various aspects and taking all the institutions to the next level. So I would request Professor Afsana to kindly welcome Dr. Gopal Krishna sir with a flower bouquet. Our Honorable Director, Professor Manohar Nararji sir. So he is always guiding us in the right direction, and he makes sure that the institution is progressing in the right direction. So I would request Madam Geetanjali to kindly welcome Professor Manohar sir with a flower bouquet. We are also pleased to have Dr. Jairam Shetty sir, Honorable Professor from NITI School of Management. Sir is highly resourceful. In fact, he is the speaker for the Track 2 session, NLP Techniques for Breakthrough Outcome in Teaching. I would request Mr. Ajay to kindly welcome. So as part of the program, we have got 4 different tracks. So after this inaugural, the first track, the first session will be handled by Dr. Anand Joshi sir. That is on new normal in higher education. Then second track will be by Dr. Jairam Shetty sir on NLP techniques for breakthrough outcome in teaching. And track 3 will be by Dr. Suma Singh. That is on innovative teaching tools, focus on how to think. And the last session is on outcome-based learning. That is by Dr. Aloysius Edward. So I welcome all the speakers, dignitaries, invitees, faculty members, and students for this program. So more than 60 colleges have registered for this program. Even we have participants from outside Bangalore and outside Karnataka state. So that is how we have made this program also available as YouTube Live. So I also welcome all the participants who are attending this program as online.
Thank you, sir. It's my honor to welcome our beloved principal of Nagarjuna Degree College and Director of Management Studies, Dr. Harish Babu, sir. I request Dr. Dakshayani to please welcome, sir.
It is my privilege to introduce our today's chief guest, Dr. Anand K. Joshi. Dr. Anand K. Joshi holds MCom, LLB, MBA and PhD degrees. Dr. Anand Joshi is an education innovation strategist and is a consultant and mentor advisor at International Skill Development Corporation London, a multinational L&D organization. He is also editor for Indian Education Review published by ISDC London. He is ex-pro-chancellor of Atmiya University, Rajkot, Gujarat. He is also an ex-founder, vice-chancellor of CMR University, Bangalore. On behalf of Nagarjuna Group of Institutions, I wholeheartedly welcome our chief guest, Dr. Anand K. Joshi, for today's program.
I now request our principal, Dr. Harish Babu, sir, to felicitate our chief guest, Dr. Anand K. Joshi.
Good morning and greetings to all. Respected dignitaries on the dais, the teachers, the invitees, and the participants who are online. At the outset, it is a pleasure and privilege to address the first on-site event after a gap of more than 1 year or so. And I compliment both for providing this opportunity to me by the Indian Academy as well as Nagarjuna Degree College. And more so, the representatives of the management here, Dr. Manohar sir and Dr. Gopalakrishna sir, and in absentia, my friend Dr. Deshikacharya sir also. Teaching methodology. Today, I believe even today, a good teacher with blackboard and chalk piece, no technology can substitute it. And it is going to stay in the classroom, no doubt about it. But to support or reciprocate the learning process, now what we call the power of technology in the classroom will dictate the terms on how the information connects to the student. Because the teacher connects emotionally, so his eye connect, he makes the student absorb it so fast because the trust of confidence is between the teacher and the student. Teaching methodology is getting integrated with instructional technology. At the same time, evaluation process needs to be whether through technology-based assessment, knowledge-based assessment, or knowledge behavior-based assessment you want to evaluate. Ultimately, this seminar should evaluate and bring the best out of it. And I wish both Indian Academy, the principal, as well as Mr. Dr. Harish Babu, to develop this as a document, because this NEP 2020 is going to stay for next 20-25 years. And ensure that this proceedings is a part of the State Implementation Committee as well as to the Government of India, to the UGC. And believe me, the government is proactive and they will come back to you with certain appreciation. With this, I wish each one of you for a wonderful learning experience. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
I now request Dr. Biraj Amit Anil, Associate Professor, Department of MBA and CET, to introduce our guest of honor, Dr. E. Jerome Xavier.
I, Dr. Biraj Amit Anil, it is my honor and privilege to read the profile of Dr. E. Jerome Xavier Jesuraj, sir. He is the principal of Indian Academy Degree College. Sir has completed MSc, MPhil, MA, MS, that is in Education Management, and PGDBA and PhD in HRM. Sir is having total 32 years of experience in higher education and as a principal 14 years of experience. He has received Bharat Gaurav Award, Best Citizen of India Award, Lifetime Education Achievement Award, Lifetime Member of Sigma 11 Scientific Society, North California, USA. He has guided 2 research scholars for PhD program. He is Governing Council member of Mount Carmel PU College, St. Vincent Pallotti College, Bangalore. He is Executive Committee member of IFCU, that is International Federation of Catholic University, Paris. Member of Christ College Core Committee 2002 to 2005. National and state program he has organized more than 20. UGC refresher courses orientation program sir has attended more than 6. He has edited 4 books. He has attended several national and international conferences as a chief guest. He has written several articles in national and international reputed journals. Sir has attended and organized several national and international level FDPs.
I now request all the dignitaries to felicitate our guest of honor, Dr. E. Jerome Xavier, Principal, Indian Academy Degree College, Autonomous.
Thanks to UGC, which has helped us to come together, 2 institutions, one as a mentor institution and the other as a mentee institution, to grow together and help each other towards excellence in higher education. When the program Paramash was given to us, Indian Academy Degree College made it a point that we in turn will ensure that each mentee institution is given an opportunity to organize a national seminar or at least a state-level seminar. This is one such effort. Coming to the topic on the paradigm shift in teaching pedagogy is purposely chosen keeping in mind the second criterion of the 7 criteria that we have in the National Accreditation Council, NAC. We also thought it is good for each institution to take up one criterion and organize a seminar that would help the organizers as well as others who participate to have greater and in-depth knowledge in the process of accreditation. And I'm sure the resource persons who are already there waiting for you to share their knowledge. Teachers influence the students for eternity. You are in the classroom not to teach the subject alone, because we are told today information is available. Yes, we are in the class first and foremost to inform the students of what, if at all you know, what you have assimilated, understood, synthesized, and made it of your own, the subject you are good at. So you are not here to inform that subject. Yes, information is part of it. But you are there to reform. The students who are sitting in the classrooms need to be reformed. Each one comes with different cultural background, social background, ethical background, but you are the only one who are able to see all of them, and it is your responsibility to reform them through your teaching. We influence the student community, and we influence them for eternity. Even after 32 years, somewhere when we go, whether it is Commercial Street or Phoenix Mall, whatever be the mall, you'll find, "Hi sir, how are you? You were my teacher," or "You were in Christ's College, you were here, you were in St. Anne's as principal," and so on. They will remember you for lifetime. It is in your hands. You are holding a greater responsibility. Most of the faculty members I find these days, I'm sorry if some of you might be really good, but younger generations, they are more worried about money. That is why I want you, my dear teaching fraternity, please tell yourself, yes, money is important. It has value. But what is most important is what you can contribute, nobody else can contribute. The way that you can influence your students, nobody else can influence. If that is in your mind and heart, I can assure you, you will enjoy your teaching, and you will ensure that the students who come out of your class are best citizens who contribute to the growth of the society. Have a wonderful day. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
It has taken the prime position. Probably it has opened the eyes of many academicians and administrators. The things in the NEP have brought a lot of points into the forefront, be it the school education or the higher education. A lot of changes have come in, and we should be prepared for those changes. Bhagavad Gita says, change is the rule of nature. We have to prepare for the change. See, teachers, as Dr. Jerome was mentioning, he said he has selected, and his principal of the Christ College was instrumental in making him as a teacher or an academician. Very nice. But many people, they take up teaching profession because they don't get other jobs. Don't worry, your goal is set. When the goal is set, should you go in the same path or should you change the path? The goal is already set. If you are not able to move in that path, change your path. Reach the goal ultimately. So having selected the teaching profession, you should update your knowledge. Dr. Harish Babu had mentioned that this conference is the first of its kind, sponsored by UGC in NDC. Very nice, and congratulations to all the organizers. And Dr. Jerome very, very graciously has accepted, and he is involved in the whole process. That is to be appreciated. Indian Academic College has come out and they are supporting NDC to conduct this kind of a conference. Congratulations, sir, and thank you very much on behalf of the management for the excellent support that you are rendering. Ultimately, participants from different colleges come and they participate. One day, it should not be an excursion for them, but there should be some takeaway from the whole seminar. That takeaway is what Dr. Joshi said in the end. I thank the guests of honor, particularly Dr. Anand Joshi and Dr. Jerome Xavier, for participating in this conference as well as addressing all of us and enlightening all of us. Thank you very much, sir, for that. I wish this conference all the best. I said presidential address is very easy. Speaking what others have spoken, just mentioning those points is presidential address. Thank you very much for your patience here.
I deem it a privilege to propose a vote of thanks. At the outset, I'm privileged to extend our sense of gratitude to our chief patron, Sri J.V. Rangaraju, Chairman, Nagarjuna Education Society, Srimati Sridevi Rangaraju, Founder, NES, Sri Chaitanya Verma, Secretary, Nagarjuna Education Society, and Srimati Bhanu Chaitanya, Member, NES, in supporting in all our endeavors. I extend my gratitude to our patron, Dr. K.S. Deshikachar, Senior Director, NGI, Dr. S.G. Gopalkrishnan, Director, NGI, Professor Manohar Naradji, Director, NGI, for their unconditional support. Our gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. Anand K. Joshi, Advisor, ISDC Global, London, former Pro-Chancellor, AU former Vice-Chancellor, CMRU, who graced the occasion and enlightened us with his words of wisdom. Thank you, sir. Our gratitude and thankfulness to Dr. E. Jerome Xavier, Principal, Indian Academy Degree College, for being a true mentor and a pillar of strength to organize the seminar. Mentor would be a tiny word, a guide, facilitator, and an impetus to achieve our goal. We thank our mentor institution, Indian Academy Degree College Autonomous, for extending the support to organize the national seminar. Our extended gratitude to the Paramarsh Advisory Committee, Dr. A. Geeta Bali, former Vice-Chancellor, Karnataka State Women's University, Dr. Sangeeta Annie George, IQAC Coordinator, Indian Academy Degree College Autonomous, and Professor Deepa Yes, IQAC member, IADC, for their timely advice and support to bring up the seminar. We extend our gratitude to our seminar convener, Dr. Harish Babu, Principal and Director, Management Studies, who led us with the seminar with his excellent leadership skills. We extend our gratitude to Professor Srilata for a melodious invocation song. The entire program was headed and well coordinated by our faculty coordinators, Dr. Kavita and Professor Ajay Kumar. We thank our curious learner participants who have gathered here, and to our YouTube participants on the YouTube platform. Finally, we thank all the teaching, non-teaching staff, and all who worked behind the screen to make it a huge success. The word of thanks is just not the end. I think it's the beginning of our learning. Thank you.